Welcome to another Mousetrap Monday video. Today we're going to test out the Little Pete Mousetrap. That's a clever name, made by J.T. Eaton. Here's the trap on the box. There's two pictures of mice that look like they're about ready to fall asleep. It says it's the original narrow profile multiple catch mousetrap. Look at all these features. It's reusable, no resetting, no winding, no jamming of mechanical components, no springs, no snaps, and it's humane. Live mice can be released unharmed. So let's take the Little Pete out of the box and see what it looks like. Here's the Little Pete Mousetrap. It's pretty narrow. It's made out of metal and has a clear plastic lid so you can see inside when you catch mice. There's ventilation holes. On either side there's a door for the mouse to enter. The lid lifts up. You can see the mechanism. Now this is a very similar mechanism to other traps we've seen before. Probably the most well known is the Tin Cat made by Victor. It's pretty much the exact same design. It has a teeter-totter. The mouse enters. The weight of the mouse makes the teeter-totter go down. When it does, a door closes. Now this mechanism of a live catch mousetrap where it steps on a teeter-totter and the door closes is a very old style of mousetrap. It was first patented in 1876 on a mousetrap called the Delusion. I have one here and it has that same mechanism. They enter, step on the teeter-totter, and the door closes. So this style of mousetrap has been around a long time, and that's because it works. Let's go test out the Little Pete. First we'll set it up with our pet mice, see if they go in there and get caught. Then we'll set it up in the barn with motion cameras and see if we can get some wild mice.
For this test, we'll use one of our brown pet mice. Well, that didn't take long. Our brown pet mouse went in the trap. Now he's caught. Let's open up the lid. There he is. The Little Pete worked well on our pet mice. Let's go set this up in the barn with motion cameras and see if we can get wild mice.
I really like this clear plastic lid. I see a mouse right there. Last night we set up the Little Pete Mousetrap in the barn and we got mice. They wanted to get the bait, went in there, stepped on the mechanism, the door closed, and we got them. What I like so much about this trap is it resets itself and you can catch multiple mice. Now there are two mice in here and these are non-native house mice. Usually with live catch traps I let the mice go, but only native deer mice. For the non-native house mice I keep them as pets. So let's open up the lid and see what they look like. There's one of them, the other's hiding back here. That one's a little guy. These wild mice are way more active than the pet store mice. They're a little crazy, but they'll like their new home. They'll have food and water. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider hitting the button right there. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.